And here's where we apply the brush. Oh, that's not quite right. So we're just going to do it like this. Yeah, we just do it like that. Really nice and slow. It's this nice brush, this nice little pencil we got here. Oh, it's looking so good. Oh, here we go. We're just going to apply this brush nice and accurate. And we just want an outline around the ghost paint. Oh, it looks so good, people. Oh, I like this makeup. I just apply it straight down here, and it goes down on the nose just like that. And then we just take it down here, and we just take it all the way across. Make sure it's within the lines. If it's a little bit outside of the lines, that's okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take it up here, and then we're just going to take it all the way down here. And all these lines look so good in there. They're so straight. And oh, here we go. And there. It's all done there. All perfect lines. And then we just take it right here, and we just move it across just so brazenly like that. And then we just take it across like that. And we just move the lines across like that. And oh, you're just going to have nice, straight, even lines. And we'll just take it down here like this, boys and girls. And then up and down like this. And now we're almost done. We're almost to the finish line. Homey is almost to the finish line. You're just going to take this and just drag it across nice like that. Nice and slow until we're all done. And then you add a few lines up here. You just kind of add some eyebrows here and an eyebrow there. Just a perfect match. And then you just do a couple of shapes over here just for some form. And then you just kind of line the mouth. And there we go. We're all done.